Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage style interior decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Cottage style interior decor emphasizes a cozy, inviting and nostalgic atmosphere, blending comfort with timeless charm. Here are some tips and ideas to achieve this look. Comfortable furniture. Choose overstuffed armchairs, sofas, and vintage-inspired furniture with slip covers. Incorporate painted wood furniture or distressed finishes for a rustic feel. Textiles and layers. Use natural fabrics like cotton and linen for curtains, cushions, and upholstery. Add crochet straws, patchwork quilts, or ruffled pillows for texture and warmth. Hinges and repurposed pieces. Incorporate market finds like antique tables, chairs, or dressers. Use repurposed items like an old leather as a towel rail or crates for shelving. Soft lighting. Opt for warm ambient lighting with table lamps, wall sconces, and candeliers. Use chair curtains to let in natural light while maintaining a soft glow. Natural elements. Add oven baskets, jute rugs, or wicker furniture for an organic touch. Decorate with potted plants, fresh flowers, or dried bouquets. Decorative accessories. Display collections of ceramics, teapots, or vintage books. Add wall art featuring pastoral scenes, botanical prints, or rustic signet. Use mirrors with ornate frames to add light and the illusion of a space. Functional and aesthetic storage. Use open shelving to display crockery or vintage glassware. Incorporate hooks or bed rails for hanging utensils, bags, or accessories. Mix and match patterns. Combine patterns like florals, stripes, gingham, or polka dots in textiles and upholstery for a layered, whimsical look. Keep the color palette cohesive to avoid overwhelming the space. Distressed pellegrin or blue to transform old furniture into cottage-style staples. Cozy fireplaces and mantles. If you have a fireplace, decorate the mantle with vintage clocks, framed photos, or candlesticks. Add a basket of firewood and a cozy chair nearby for warm, inviting corner. Incorporate gyplap or weightboard. Use gyplap walls, weightboard panels, or tongue and groove cladding for that quintessential cottage charm. Personalize with heirlooms. Display family heirlooms like embroidered tablecloths, antique teapots, or vintage photo frames to add personal touches. Incorporate old-fashioned items like oil lamps, vintage radios, or typewriters for a nostalgic vibe. Create nooks and corners. Design cozy reading nooks with a comfy chair, throw blankets, and a small table for books or tea. Use alcoves or window seats with plush cushions for tranquil retreat. Embrace imperfections. Cottage style shapes on imperfections, so don't worry about everything matching perfectly. Uneven wooden grain, slightly mismatched chairs, or handmade details add character. Use rustic flooring. Expose original hardwood floors if possible, or opt for white plank wood or reclaimed wood. Layer rugs like braided jute or vintage Persian styles for added warmth. Enhance with natural light. Maximize natural light by keeping windows simple with sheer curtains or lightweight drapes.